everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. I have so many boxes to unbox. I feel so behind. So the first one I chose, because I am the most excited about it, is my April Allure beauty box. So this is what the box looks like. You guys probably already know, don't care, it's all about what's inside. But anyways, I heard some spoilers. I don't know everything and I have not watched any videos, but the spoilers I heard are freaking awesome. Allure is seriously killing it lately, so let's see if they continue to do so. If you do not know what Allure is, it is a beauty box and it's about, well, it's $15 per month, but you can get your first box for only $10 and the value is seriously insane. Like when I first got it a while ago, it was only like so-so, but lately it is so good. It is definitely one of the best boxes for its price. As you know, like other boxes are increasing their prices, it seems. Like Birchbox is about to be the same price as Allure, and it is seriously sample sizes. Allure, you get a lot of full-size things. You do get some like deluxe sample sizes as well, but you get full-size items and you pay like nothing. So if you have not yet subscribed, I will leave a link down below. But anyways, let's get unboxing. I can't recall without looking if Allure is only in the US, so if you guys don't mind and you know the answer, where does Allure ship to? Is it US only, or does it go to Canada or anywhere else? I'm usually good about looking into that, but I can't remember about this one. Anyways, when I open it up, this is what I see. They always have a pamphlet with a pretty lady, and this lady is Carly Bible. She is a YouTube beauty guru. I haven't seen too many of her videos, to be honest. I'll have to check them out after this, but she is super pretty and she helped curate this month's box. I think that's really cool how they've been having some influencers help. Like Nikki Tutorials did a recent box. That was actually when I resubscribed to Allure. There was a few months where I wasn't getting it, but when I saw Nikki was doing it, I was like, yes, please. So yeah, she's pretty, and I guess she picked everything in here. Let's see what it says. Yep, it says, masterful selection. We asked Carly Bible to help us pick the products for your April beauty box. And maybe you've heard of her. The beauty blogger has more than 6 million subscribers. Wow. I have to check her out. How have I not really seen many videos? To be honest, I usually watch smaller creators. But anyways, I won't read this word for word. Let's get to the box because I'm so excited. Oh, and it looks like there's a sneak peek for next month. It says Allure Beauty Box, May Theme, Beauty Innovation, 7 Game Changers. And on the back there is a little scratch off, so I will do this after we unbox the April goodies. This is so fun. So every month you get a bag holding your goodies, and this month it is clear. I think we've gotten black, red, and white. I kind of like clear. You can like see what's in there. You can like keep this in a bigger bag. So they're definitely reusable, which is awesome. So I'm just gonna put this box down on the ground. Oh my gosh. I see some insane brands. I'm gonna start off with a product I already knew about, and I am so freaking excited. It looks like my bag's kind of broken, by the way, but let's see if the contents are okay. That's all I care about right now. This is a Natasha Denona eyeshadow single. If you do not know about Natasha Denona, her eyeshadow palettes cost $129. Like, what? Crazy. Like, now I get to see with one eyeshadow if it's worth the price. Like, can any eyeshadow palette be worth that much? That is so much money. Like, that better blend like a dream, right? So let's see what color we got. So this is the packaging. So yeah, that is way out of my budget, so I could never splurge on that, but I'm so excited to try this. And this is like a pretty gold color. Oh my god, like a very wearable color for everyone. Awesome. So what shade is this? Bronzage. 124 karat bronzage, if I'm saying that right. Let's swatch it. Oh my god, that was just one little swatch. That is insane. I am so excited to put this on my eye. Oh my god. That just swatched beautifully, like the best a swatch has ever performed. But I know it's not about the swatches, it's about how it is on your eye. So let's see, I wonder how much an eyeshadow single costs. $27 for one shade. I mean, that makes sense. Their palettes are so insanely expensive. Wow, I'm so excited about this. So yeah, it doesn't have anything on here. Oh yeah. So they don't give too much information on the actual products in here. They talk about like different Allure editors talk about why they like it, I guess. Okay, so I guess we could have gotten a variety of sparkling shades in the box. I am so glad I got this bronzy shade. I actually have like a bronzy similar shadow on my lids today, so it's definitely something I wear, so awesome. And it looks like that you can get 30% off the Natasha Denona Sunset eyeshadow palette if you're interested. Enter code ND Sunset times Allure at checkout. If you're interested, just let me know in the comments. I'll give you that code. 30% off, $129. Let's see what that is. Wow, that would save you $38.70. Oh, so pay $90 instead of $129. Still out there. I don't even know what the Sunset eyeshadow palette looks like, but I bet it's gorgeous. So if you're interested, let me know. Put it in the comment section or whatever. Okay, let's see what else is in here. What is this? Vita Liberata Advanced Organics Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloths. Okay, I am so white. I spent a whole day, well not a whole day, a few hours on a boat yesterday. I didn't even get anything. I wear sunscreen all the time and my skin just stays white, and that's kind of how I like it. I feel like, I don't know if I could use one of these. I feel like I'd look so streaky. Do you guys think I should try it out? Let's see what it says. Up to 10 days of tan from one application. I don't know. Let's look at, see if there's any information here at all. Like I said, usually it's just like quotes from people. So it is $25 for a pack of 8 or $39 for a pack of 16. You can get these at Ulta. Again, there's a coupon code, so if there's anything you're interested in, I'm not going to say them all out loud. Just let me know, I'll give it to you. So apparently this person who picked this item self-tans every 2 weeks, and you can tell Carly is a tan chick. I am not. And I guess this one doesn't make you smell bad. It's mess-free. Two of them were enough to easily cover my entire body, and 4 hours later I had a very natural looking and smelling glow. So wait, do we have 1 or 2 in here? Okay, so there are 2 of them. Maybe I'll try it out on my legs. There's not really any directions on here. Oh yeah, there are. Remove the cloth, wipe onto clean exfoliated skin in large circular movements. Use a clean damp cloth to remove excess tan from the heel of the hand, knuckles, elbows, knees, and sides of the feet. Wash hands thoroughly and immediately afterwards. Allow 48 hours for your tan, 428, not 48, hours for your tan to fully develop. Tanning time and color development may vary based on skin type. Gosh, I feel like if you wash your hands after, does it make your hands white and the rest of your body really tan? Has anyone tried this that's pale like me? Let me know. I'm kind of curious how this will work. Maybe I'll do it when I don't really have to go out in public for a few days. I don't know, but yeah, let's move on. Ooh, the next thing I see is by Briogeo. I love Briogeo. Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protecting Cream. This is what it looks like. It has a Briogeo label on it, and I don't really get too bad of frizzy hair. Like, I am in humid Florida and I feel like it makes my hair actually like healthier and like a little bit more full. So this is a lightweight finishing formula infused with our signature blend of rosehip, argan, and coconut oils to effectively reduce frizz, smooth hair, and enhance shine while heat protecting up to $450. I could use this before I use heat tools and stuff like that and see if there's any difference. I love their products and I love the way they smell too, so I'm excited to try it out. And this is obviously like a deluxe sample size. And there is a safety seal. Oh shit. Excuse my language. One day I'll figure out how to like blurp those out, but I don't think you guys really care. It just got like all over me and it smells really good. So yeah, make sure you don't squeeze the tube while you open it. Rookie moves. At least it smells good. Ooh, we got a brush. You know, I love brushes, and this is by Luxie. Luxie brushes never disappoint. We got some this month also in our BoxyCharm, which is awesome. So what one is this? A small tapered blending, the 231 Luxie brush. Yes, I am super excited to get this. Awesome. I love getting brushes. Oh, and I forgot to say the pricing of the Briogeo. Let's see. The full size of the Briogeo Farewell Frizz is $24. And this Luxie brush is $12. Ooh, there's a coupon code for everything it looks like this month. Awesome. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. The more brushes, the better. I love them. Yes, yes, yes. And I don't think I have that Luxie brush. Sometimes I get duplicates, which I don't mind because, you know, brushes get dirty, but I don't think I've ever tried that one. But maybe I have. Okay, you guys, this is so exciting. We have something from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood. Here is the packaging. Like, isn't this crazy? I only paid $15 for this. And there's one more item to go after this too. Sweet. Ooh, this is like a pretty light shade. Excuse my Band-Aid, I burnt my finger today. I don't think I have any Anastasia, or ABH. I feel like I always say Anastasia wrong. I always want to say Anastasia, like the movie and the person in real life. Okay, so here is the applicator. Ooh, this is pretty and smooth. That went on really nice. I like that color actually. At first I was thinking it might be like too light, but I like it. I'm excited to try this out. Awesome. This is definitely full size. Oh my god, awesome. This is $20. Like, the retail value of this is insane. Oh, apparently Pure Hollywood is one of the best-selling shades too, so that's awesome. Sometimes in subscription boxes and stuff, you don't really get to the like high-selling or top-selling items from companies. I don't know. Have you guys noticed that? So this is awesome. All right, the last item is by Laura Geller. Wow, there's a lot of high-end brands, like well-known brands in this. I think the only brand I didn't know, well, actually I have heard of Vita Liberata, but okay. Laura Geller, New York, Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil in Brown Eyed Girl. And this is definitely full size. What? Oh, there's like a nice little thing to grip on there. Do you see that? That's nice. So there's no like slippage when you're doing your eyeliner. I like that it's brown. We always get black, so this is awesome. So it's a retractable eyeliner pencil, which is my favorite. Oh my god, this goes on really nice too. I'm excited to try this out. Sometimes I think black's a little too harsh on my eyes, or it makes them seem even smaller than they are because I do have pretty small eyes, so this is awesome. And another full-size item, like seriously, you cannot beat Allure for the price. Like, what? This is $22. So multiple items we received are higher than the value of the box itself. This is so awesome. You guys, I am so happy with Allure again. They have been killing it in the beauty box game. If you have not gotten this box and it's in your budget, like, and you love makeup like I do, oh my god, jump on this. I will leave a link below. Sometimes when you sign up, I think always, when you first subscribe, you get like a gift too. I got like a little perfume sample. It was like a bigger than a spray bottle, like those little teeny samples. It was like a cute one. Maybe I have it around. Yeah, when I first subscribed, my gift was a Versace Dylan Blue. Sorry, there's like a hair on this, but it's like this cute little, like, you know, bigger than a regular sample, cute little perfume bottle. I'm not sure what it is now. On the back here it says refer a friend and get this Way Trio set, so maybe that's what you get too. So yeah, so whenever you first subscribe, you pay only $10 and you get a gift. So, and that's $15 thereafter, and it's so worth it. So if you're unsure still, let's see what's coming in the May box. Let me find something to scratch this. All right, so I have it scratched off, and it looks like they might give us all of the box contents, or at least some of them that is coming in the May Allure Beauty Box. So it says there's over a $60 retail value. So if you don't like spoilers, don't look. Okay, hopefully that was long enough for you to take a look. So let's see what it says. There is an Amore Pacific Youth Revolution. It looks like it's a radiance cream, so it's a skincare item. And there's also something by Jean C, Louis by Jean C, Erase, Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. There is a Laritzi Lippy, a Laneige mask, I believe. I wonder if that's our water sleeping mask. I can't really tell. It actually looks like it might be a cream. Water cream. It's so teeny, the text, I can't really see. There's something by Model Co. And then anti-frizz sheets. That's interesting. I wonder if you just like wipe them in your hair and the frizz goes away. That'll be good for warm weather. I know a lot of people deal with frizz. And then Saint Tropez Self-Tan Purify Spray. Cool, so they're getting a lot of self-tan stuff. So the May box doesn't seem as amazing as the April one, but we'll see. This is just a sneak peek. Again, there it is. And the value of this one is definitely over $60. I'm just gonna add together the full-size items and see what that is. Okay, so not including the Briogeo Deluxe sample or the tan wipe things, it is $81. So it's more than that. This is crazy. This is probably my favorite one. I feel like I've said that before in recent past of Allure, but okay, let's just do a quick recap. A freaking Natasha Denona eyeshadow single in a pretty bronze color. Awesome. A full-size Anastasia Beverly Hills lippy. Yes, in a pretty color. Look how that dried down. That's really pretty. I love pinks. Mauves and pinks, yes please. Like a full-size Laura Geller Brown Eyed Girl eye pencil. Yes, that is so awesome. And then we got the Luxie brush. So this is a full-size item because it's a brush. And then 2 tanning wipes, so that's supposed to be enough for your whole body. And then the frizz stuff. And Briogeo is one of my favorite hair brands. So yes, this is awesome. I'm so happy with this. Did you guys get anything different in your box? I know sometimes they have slight variations. Let me know. Did you guys like love it as much as I did? Because I am so happy right now. I missed unboxing, you guys. If you don't know, I've taken a few days off. I pre-recorded. I've been with my family, so this is so exciting, and I'm so happy to be talking to you again. But anyways, thank you so much for unboxing with me. The link will of course be down below in the description box. But anyways, I hope you're having an amazing day. I love you so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.